There's Grayson and Aaron and Bruce. See if we can catch up. Second run for Grayson at a Teatown Village. There's Aaron, proud mother. Super rad ski mom. Here's super rad Grayson. See how she's doing.
Hi, Lori.
How you feeling? Yeah, right on.
Right.
Let me see what you got. And there she goes. Ah. See if we can get some action shots here. Nice. Aunt Lori, just make sure she doesn't crash. Yeah, Grayson. Rad Grayson. Nice. Yeah, Grayson. Woo! And that's a wrap.